Welcome to our latest Decor Ideas YouTube channel. The main gate of a property serves as its grand entrance, leaving a lasting impression on visitors and passerby. In this video, we will explore a plethora of captivating main gate ideas and designs that enhance the curb appeal and security of any property. In which number one is classic elegance. For those who appreciate timeless charm, classic main gate designs with ornate ironwork and intricate patterns as a popular choice. These gates exude elegance and sophistication, making them ideal and traditional and vintage inspired homes. The use of wrought iron or metal alloys adds durability and shows the gate withstands the test of time. Anyway, number two is modern minimalism. Embrace the beauty of simplicity with modern minimalist main gate designs. Clean lines, sleek finishes, and uncluttered aesthetics creates a contemporary and sophisticated entrance. These gates complement modern architecture and minimalist landscape, contributing to an overall cohesive look. Number three is wooden wonder. Wooden main gate designs add a touch of nature, warmth, and rustic charm to any property. With various wood species, finishes, and styles available, wooden gates offer versatility and customization options. Number four is artistic masterpieces. Elevate the entrance of your property with an artistic main gate design that doubles as a statement piece. Incorporate intricate sculptures, customized motifs, or metalwork that reflects your personal style and passions. Such unique designs create a captivating focal point and leave a lasting impression on visitors. Number five is automated and smart. Embrace the convenience and security of automated and smart main gate designs with remote controls, intercom systems, and motion sensors. I hope this video will be very helpful for you to decor your designs on modern basis. So subscribe my YouTube channel and like and share this video to your relatives, and meet you in next video. Thank you.